Holiness to the lotus feet of Swamiji. I am the son, 4th grade, TKS Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Here to talk about a tiny little hummingbird. It is a small bird with a long slender bill. Many hummingbirds have brightly colored and glittering feathers. Name hummingbirds comes humming noise. Their wings make us beat so fast. Their unique ability to fly forward, backward, and even upside down. It stands for intelligence, beauty, devotion, and love. They carry the pollen to flower. It helps to plant to reproduce. Most hummingbirds smaller than a pen. Hummingbird symbol of good luck. According to the God's creation, each and every one is unique. Let's admire the nature. Thank you. Have a nice day.